Well, I've been crying my eyes out all day, so it's kind of weird to stand in front of the camera now. But I've been crying my eyes out because it was absolutely amazing. I did level 5, level 4, level 3 back to back, and the way it's built, it at the end it makes sense. Like the first few days were a lot of hard work in the ego workshop. I really got confronted with all my constructive feedback and my patterns and a lot of stuff I knew, but the way it is presented and the ritual that's behind it just like really made me be able to open up to it and to take it in and to actually process while I was getting the feedback. So that was very nice that I got feedback and I could process it while the court was in session, let's say. So yeah, that was a lot of hard work, but also fun to serve others, because we also did the courts for one another. So not only did I get to receive, but I also got to serve other people in their ego feedback. So that was wonderful to do, very bonding for the group, which made a lot of sense going into level 4. So the group was already kind of like together. So that was very nice. And level 4, a lot of fun and weird and crazy stuff happens. Crazy wisdom here. It's proven again. It really is a crazy workshop, but it was so profound. It really shifted something in me, something that I actually was looking for and that I kind of knew beforehand that I was coming with an idea that I might find it here. And it was just so concrete, is not fluffy. That's what made me absolutely love it, because I've been to spiritual stuff before and it gets real fluffy real fast. And this wasn't fluffy. This was just like concrete tools, concrete exercises that you get and that we get to test out and just see the impact immediately. And it's actually quite simple, the things that are presented, but to put them immediately into practice just makes you embody it and put it right to the test. So that was wonderful. And then going into level 3, oh my god. That was just one crazy motherfucking ride. What the fuck? Oh, that was so much fun. Also a lot of hard work actually, because you go back to back on the fantasies and get to serve a lot of people with their fantasies, which is a lot of fun. And also again, a lot of process going on there. So people might come for the sex, but actually what happens is not just sex. It really goes into deeper layers, into really personal development. And I have several lessons for myself that I take with me. And I'm so, so grateful. Thank you for the living out my own fantasy. It's been like in my head for quite a while, and it was just perfectly executed by my fellow participants here. So it was absolutely wonderful. So if you're doubting of enrolling for either one of the levels or all 3 of them, please do the package. If you're doubting, don't doubt. Just do the package 543. It's wonderful. So good luck with that.